Hadin bakaseng ginong Shohdoh bat ginong oddo aha kejela hapok kesetri jong ke khasi jentia botchers kalapan kuya kedor dok Sniang naga lai spa prapau syaga saus spa arpau tengka shikilo bat kebalak tak bha yau pai ba nong bam do ha ka baki nong oddo kila dep ru ban ai ya kejing ujor syaga sorkar jela ban itu ya kejing syak Shim khajana ha ki check gate balabu da ketenat sorkar bat ki pulin kene kejing syaklum khajana Beain kala poiru ha ki tendong skor jong principal secretary ke animals and husbandry veterinary UGHP Raju ketenat veterinary Haba yo apnya keren bat uneu principal secretary bat gilal pathai kubor hanong ba shalong nakaliang jong tiu he sorkar ulapan pau ye jing sosi da kabong bakalong kubor ka basnosi bantip bakadon ke jinglum Pisa Beain na kinong rem kinong khayi Masi bat kinong didok ulong ru bagane kamla badlong bakumno ka tenat sorkar la ka ki pulit la ne ki tenat sorkar kin Shim Pisa ne pan Pisa na kinong khayi la ne kinong dido la ka ha ki bawan pan po ye ka dok Sniang la ne ka dok Masi la ne ka dok blang dagi kali bat om judei ban Shim kumtaw la kerpat ye kinong khayi do baladodon ki ba Shim la ne pan Pisa ki de ban Pyntip shau la ne shagi bor bahalor ban yo pan stom ye ki yetu GHP Raju Lada ki pulit la ne kino ki tenat sorkar ki persyang ban lum ya ketika Pisa Beain na kinong khayi na kaliang jong u unai ke jing ujor sya ke DGP ke jela ke kong ai nongrang bat shushu ula ongru bawat ke office trekam jong ke animals and husbandry veterinary kam ju Shim Pisa wat tang sya ne yaru bat kumno kite ki wepat kinyo klong ya ke Pisa na kinong khayi bat ke bomla ban long bat shushu ula ongru baki tenat sorkar ki badon na ki jeka lum khajana kimla ban lum Pisa na kinong rep namar maki ki de kinong pesabam yo pai ba yaitu UGHP Raju.
Some unscrupulous police elements are collecting money from the livestock vehicles carrying the poultry birds, carrying piglets, carrying goats from outside. It's a shame on the part of those police fellows collecting money from these poor farmers or traders who are bringing the livestock from outside. It's a shame on the part. I'll take up this matter with the Honorable In-Charge DGP Madam Kong Ida Seshanongra. I'm very sure ma'am is very strict. These elements should be brought to book. We are doing so much for doubling the farmer's income. The livestock is key for doubling the farmer's income. The people are suffering because of the price rise in the pork. Our farmers are struggling so hard to bring the pigs and the chicken from outside. How shameless you are to collect money from our poor farmers. You leave the uniform, leave the job and become a farmer and see how difficult is the life. It's ashamed of listening these type of stories from unscrupulous elements within the police department. It's a shame on the part of some of these corrupt cops who are on the highway collecting money from these livestock vehicles. I take it very seriously. I'm very sure I'm writing a DO letter to Madam, the in-charge DGP Madam, to came down so heavily on the police cops who are on the highway collecting money from these livestock trucks. Very sad state if it is true. And I request the media, please expose these type of elements. Not all are corrupt in the police department. There are some wonderful officers, the constables, they are outstanding. But there are some bad guys. The media, I request the media, expose these fellows. Even the livestock, the vehicle owners who are bringing the livestock from outside, please inform me which cop is collecting money. You are hard working, you are day in and day out, your truck passes through night time, you have to bring only night time this. So imagine a whole night you are traveling without sleep, without rest. Is it not shame on the part of this khaki cop guy collecting money from livestock farmers? Shame on that. I am very sure in-charge DGP Madam is very strict and I am very sure she will come down heavily on them. Also I request those truck owners, inform me, my number is there, please. Share my number with any of the truck carrying the livestock. Inform me. I will talk to that fellow how much money they want. What is shame? Shame. That's why the prices are going up. So I take your full cooperation and the support in putting an end to this menace. Thank you. The media friends also brought to my notice that some of these livestock farmers, those who are bringing livestock from outside, they are confused about and they are forced to pay some tax. I don't know, Animal Husbandry Department levies no tax. Don't pay any tax to Animal Husbandry Department. There is no such legally levied tax from our traders to bring cattle from outside. Also, any livestock carrying vehicle, do not pay any tax to the animal husbandry department. There is no such legally levied tax. Please spread this word to all our traders not to pay any taxes in the name of animal husbandry department. No. Other check gates, district council, I don't know. I have to inquire. If it is legitimate, yes, rightly pay until with a receipt. Ask for a receipt. Animal husbandry department levies no tax. Please, my request the media persons, please translate this into Khasi and the Garo for the benefit of our farmers and traders.